So how to open a savings account on Barclays. So to open up a savings account on Barclays, you can do it on the Barclays app. So if you click on products right here, open up savings and ISAs, it will then open you up to this page here. And if you scroll down, it will give you a list of all the savings accounts that you can open up with Barclays. And again, there's a fair few here, so feel free to have a look, decide which savings account is right for you, and go from there. So for example, for the sake of this video, we're going to pick an everyday saver, but again, feel free to have a look at all the different options and pick the savings account that's right for you. So once you've picked your savings account, make sure you give this all a read, understand what type of savings account it is, and if you're happy with it, you can go ahead and say apply now right here. Then once you've done that, click next. And then you'll be given the new terms and conditions for your savings account. So give that a read, understand everything, and if you're happy to agree, click agree. Then once you've done that, you'll just be given more information. So again, give it a read, understand, and then once you've done that, you'll be pulled through to this page here, where you can then clarify if you'd like it as a savings account for yourself or a joint one. So if it's for yourself, select sole account. Then you'll just need to declare your taxes. So it'll ask you if you're a US citizen. So either say yes or no. Then once you've done that, you'll be asked if you're a tax resident in the UK. So again, just answer honestly, yes or no. Then for the last step, you'll just need to notify how often you want to receive bank statements, as well as your initial deposit. So for the example of this video, we're just going to start one up with £1. But again, if you'd like to add more, go right ahead. And if you'd like to, you can also set up a reoccurring deposit. But for the example of this video, I'm going to skip over that and say no. But if you'd like to, go ahead. And then next up, you'll just be asked to review your choices. So make sure to double check everything. And if you're happy, you can go ahead and click open account. And there you have it. And your new savings account is now open up. And you should be able to find it as well within the app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it does help the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.